She's our social media editor, section editor for PRS, and she's going to have a one-on-one with one of the most biggest influencers on social media, Dr. Ashkan Ghavami, and it's a guy I know pretty well. He's great. And so please stay tuned, because at the end of this, we're going to be raffling off an echo, right, at the end, and Donnell's going to do that. So Heather, without any further ado, thanks for all you do.
Great. Thank you, Dr. Rohrich. I'd like to start with talking about what PRS and PRS Global Open does on social media. I don't know if you knew that there was more to PRS than the website. If we look on the website, we can find this social media icons. Just yesterday, PRS had a grand rounds live with Dr. Mark Clemens discussing breast implant ALCL, and you can now find that video on Facebook, PRS's Facebook. PRS also does Journal Club every month. If you click on the icon on the website, you can find the archived articles that have been done in podcasts. And then every month, you can click on and look at the 3 journal articles that will be discussed. If you're around at 3 p.m. today, we're going to have another PRS Journal Club live here on opioid use in ambulatory breast surgery by Drs. Loskin and Hart. Now, if we go to the Facebook channel for PRS Journal, you'll see this wonderful array of videos. There's PRS Journal Club and a lot of other videos. On Twitter, PRS will tweet articles and videos. This is Dr. Rohrch's Hot Topic videos. They are also on Instagram. And I'll talk about that top left-hand corner photo in a moment. They're also on YouTube, and there are an array of different playlists. There's PRS Journal Club. That's where you can find their podcasts. PRS Grand Rounds, Hot Topic videos, article discussions, tech talks, like you'll be able to find this on YouTube shortly. PRS Global Open, Face the Case, Plastic Surgery Minutes, which is sort of like an amuse-bouche, little tidbits about plastic surgery. Now, PRS and PRS Go has a long list of awards, which should come as no surprise. But this year, they got 2 Grand Apex Awards for publication excellence, including Best Social Media for PRS Grand Rounds and PRS Journal Club, as well as Best Electronic Media for PRS Journal Video Gallery. And this is a close-up of their grand award, which they posted on Instagram, and Dr. Rohrich showing the frame. Now, Dr. Ashkan Ghavami is our speaker for today. Dr. Ghavami is an assistant clinical professor at UCLA. He was awarded the #1 plastic surgery social media influencer by Harper's Bazaar magazine. With 335,000 Instagram followers, Dr. Ghavami is here to share his experience.